Yo, what is good? So I'm going to post. I'm gonna spam a couple videos today. I'm feeling up to it. So they're gonna be a couple quick ones. So I have three chart books that I made. Okay, all on YouTube, all from YouTube. Okay, so you can do it. Okay, I made the Dom. Showed me how to do this. I might change this color. I gotta rewatch the video and do it. Um, might change it to like blue and red, or maybe if I can get it to like what's the dominant color. I don't know. I'm gonna fuck with that. Then I have this one. I saw it is just like resting orders. I have it at ES Dom because I had the Dom here, but I use the Dom a lot, so I really like it. This is my 5 minute. Well, this is just my regular chart. Okay, I have the settings up here, but I have been really liking the range bar chart. So I do range per bar, standard in ticks. Okay. So I do 10 ticks on this one. So look how it looks. Okay. It's like every 10 ticks, it prints something. So it can print pretty fast depending on how volatile the market is, but it's cleaner for me for right now, especially in these volatile markets. I really like getting these like little quick entries. Boom, bam, thank you, ma'am. Okay. I have footprint chart that is 5 points. Okay, 20 ticks, 5 points. Okay, so every 5 points prints another one. 5 points prints another one. Every 20 ticks prints another one. 20 ticks. You get the picture. I have added the EMA, the 9 EMA, which is this one, and then the 20 EMA. So all my trades lately have been against all my losing trades have been against the trade the all my losing trades have been against the trend. So what I am going to be doing is only taking trades when price moves. Um, why is it in the background? What the fuck? Um, I am only going to be taking trades when price is at an area where it's crossing, okay? Like a solid cross above an EMA. Okay. Here would have been nice right here. From here is 23. From here, that's like almost 10 ticks. I don't need big moves, but the moves I'm going to take are going to be that after the EMA crossing. Okay. You see another one here? Crossed, closed, open, came up, held, boom, get in around here. Take it. Okay. So that's something that I used to do and I'm going to bring back because a lot of my trades are against the trend and I can't fucking stress enough that it's pissing my dick off. Cause look, you catch good little trades, boom, it goes down. It goes down significant. Say I catch here 25. 25 here, I get out. 19. So five, yeah, it's like 6 points. All I need is 5 point moves. I'm gonna catch 5 point little moves, nothing too crazy. Okay. So only taking trades when EMAs are lined up. So here, this is shit. Can I see stuff here? Yeah, of course. Okay. Next, I have the imbalances. So it shows stacked imbalances. On the bid side, it has big orders and it has zero orders here. It has bigger orders here, not a lot of orders here. It has to be a certain amount. I think it's three times, 300%. So three times it has a stacked imbalance here. It prints. Once it hits, then it hits. But see here, still got a hit, or it did hit. Yeah, it did hit. See, usually goes up, then goes back to it. It's like a magnet. So then on my actual footprints, this is a bid and ask footprint. So this is the ask. This is the, oh wait, hold on. This is all I have on here. Okay, I renamed it so it's not. Yeah, bid volume, ask volume. So all the bid volume is it? Hold on, studies footprint. Yeah, ask volume, bid volume, ask volume, bid volume. Big ask goes down, big bid goes up. It took me a long time to fucking learn that. Delta up here. Okay, cumulative delta adds up all this candle. That's what it is. Adds up all this candle. That's what it is. When the color is black, means ask is bigger. When the color is blue, bids bigger. Okay. Then on the bottom, I have this volume per second. Gives me just it's here too, and this is here too, but it's closer, so I don't have to be looking up and down, looking up. You know what I mean? So I have it there, just testing it out. Bar volumes here. When this gets big, you know that shit's going down. Look, big bar volume, and it's holding that area. Then you know then the sellers stepped in. This is a crucial area, right? At the 40s, they claim the 40s, not yet, fucko. And then you go back, not yet, right? So 40s is a good area to look at. That's where you see like resting orders. Okay, I'm taking this candle for example. So you see, big bid came in, but big seller came in too. You see here, this big circle, that's the big ask volume, big volume indicator, the little one too, but it's not as big as this, but it's still big. And this is big as well. So bid is for blue, black is for ask. Okay. I was gonna do it here, and I think I might do it red and green, but the red and green looks kind of shitty. That's why I didn't do it. I remember now. Okay, that's pretty much it for here. I do have the time because I like to see by the second, and this is the price bar. It has like a say that's the price. It has a line drawn through it, and it shows where the price is at because Sierra doesn't do it automatically. Okay, I have that. What else? Oh yeah, on the right side is the cumulative delta for price. So it adds this. It has this, subtracts that. That's that. Gets this, subtracts that. That's that. You know. So you see how that's bigger. That's because this has more, and then so on and so forth. So before I had it different, and um before I had it where it just showed the cumulative delta. But this is good because I see big orders come in and it really helps out. I might make it a little bigger. I have been playing with the text size, kind of seeing the text size, but I think nine looks good. I'm gonna do 9. And let's see, right side, what is that? If that's 9, I'll leave it. Yeah, 9. Okay, see? So you can Google all this stuff. Just type in right side cumulative delta, bid and ask footprint charts. There are certain ones. If you comment and want the actual chart, I'll send it to you. I'll drop it in the. I won't drop it in the comments, but message me and I'll send it to you, bro. And look, so this one I usually have like this. Watch. So vertically. So imagine that my screen is. I have two screens. Okay, this is on one screen. Oh no, this is on one screen and this is on another screen. So this is kind of like this. This is one screen. Pretend this is a second screen, and I get to see the DOM. I get to see the footprint, and I might change it like this. Thinking about it right now, like this. Watch. Let's see vertically. Yeah, I might do this. Okay. So one screen here, the left screen here, and on this screen, it's not even like that. I have this, like this, and then right here, like pretend it's longer and bigger. Pause. I have my Top Step account. Okay, so I get to see here and I see here, and then fucking I'm seeing all this, looking back and forth, and I see, oh, okay, this is making nice little patterns. Boom, dump. Then I'm able to get in good, you know. So that's good for now. I actually did this to where um it moves like Sierra chart in a way. See how I grab and hold? I have a video on that. If you want to see that, let me know. You can right click and then you put scale range here. You put constant range here. This is same thing, scale range, constant range. And I did something else. I forgot what I did, but the video told me to do it. And it moves like this, right? I could scroll with my scroll wheel up and down. Scroll my scroll wheel up and down. I think I hold control and scroll. Oh yeah, yeah. If I hold control and scroll up and down, it does that. It scales it, so it's quicker. Oh, I want to do, it's like a fucking tweaker shit. But um, then I can. Oh, here is the opposite. So here I can scroll without pressing control. When I press control, it just scrolls up and down. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. This DOM has like point of control right here, most volume traded, and it has the height somewhere. I think it's right here. Green line right here. And that's the volume high. That's the value high. And then all the way at the bottom is the value area low. You get the picture. Okay. And that's what I'm trading on. And I'm trading on Top Step. Okay. I did get I did get right here my 5 days. I am waiting for this to fucking clear. I got another green day. I'm grateful, and this is just my setup for now. Okay, I do change stuff. I do change I might change the colors a little bit. But I do like the setup here. I really, really do. So I just gotta learn it. Excuse me. That's it. Just learn it. Really. Put in the screen time. Put in the hours of screen time, and that's pretty much it. So, oh yeah. So here too. Okay, let's just do this one. So here I got the volume profile. Um, volume profile it's per range. Yeah. Oh no, visible. That's what it's called. Visible volume profile. So you can see a high volume node here. This is a high volume node. A low volume node here. Medium, medium, higher, low volume node. And this kind of can be a low volume area, but you see how I just moved through that, and then it kind of congregated here, which is higher volume nodes. Okay, and then the green lines are the value area high, value area lows, red line POC. So I get to see, say it's trading 9 o'clock in the morning. Say it's watch. Let's see, it's 8. It hasn't hit market. I get up at 8:30 and I see it's 8:40. Okay, I mark off the areas. Boom, mark off that line, mark off the high. Does it come back to that? Let's see. I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this line. Okay. Let's do a little test right now. Horizontal line. Mark the line here. Right. Value area high. I mean value area low. Horizontal line. Value area high. Okay. And all this stuff you could change. Okay. You right click and then you go to customize ES main, and you can customize, add all kinds of stuff, and you add all kinds of stuff. Insert blanks, insert space. I entered a blank and a separator just so it'll look a little bit more spacious. And I kind of group these as tools, group these as studies for the chart, group these open save. I saved. I made it like that. Okay, back to the value area high, value area low. So I marked them here. Okay, and we're gonna see during 9 o'clock where it goes. Okay, this would have been nice right here. No, that's still not my times to trade. But you see, okay, look, 9:30. Okay, 9:35, you kind of see, okay, value area is changing. Right? We reassess so we can try to take something by 10. Okay? Horizontal line. We draw it out again. Okay? So you see it's still trading under it. But as you see right here, look how I came and tapped that. Okay? You can see at 10:01, you could come 10:01 and see what happened there closer in the footprint chart. And then you can make a decision and you can act accordingly, So 10:01, it did touch the value area low. Again, 10:01 right here. Okay? You could have seen price dip down, held here, tapped it, didn't go up, went down. You could have had a limit order here. Fuck it, limit order. Boom. By 10 o'clock, you'll take it. Whenever it hits it, you take it for a short. Boom. Hit it, short. Could wait. You saw here, buyers weren't really liking it. Boom, went down. It's a cool little trick you can do. I am gonna actually do that, and then look. Let's see if it goes back to the first levels you marked off. Yes, it did. See how it went all the way back, and then it went all the way up. It's like mean reversion trading. So if you see here, mean reversion, you say what's that? I'll show you. So anytime that the price gets too far from the mean, which is like the main thing, see how it's kind of far? It wants to come back. So maybe you might see something come up like this during the after hour sessions, and it is stair stepping this whole month and pre last month, a little last month too, most of last month too. So it's good to see when, okay, you're here trading in the morning, it's here, it moved away from it and came back to it. It was here in the morning because this is open, see? So it made all the volume here, came out of it, went here, and then boom, came back to it. So that's mean reversion trading, right? That's pretty cool. I like that. What else do I have? Let's see, that's pretty much it for this. This volume profile is the session volume profile if you were lost. So This is market open, market close, after hours, right? Sydney session, Tokyo, and London. And then this 9 o'clock, that's when I start. 9, looking for trades, setting up. 10, 10, 11, that's when I'm taking a trade. So here I caught this little move. I didn't hold, but this was a nice move. I'm seeing plays. I'm seeing plays. You know what I mean? So I'm grateful, 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 learning. So thank you so much for listening. All right, peace.